Hello again, dear Detam followers. In this video, we'll deeply explore ethical and legal issues in digital therapy practices. Previously, we covered important foundations such as digital security and international data protection laws. Today, we'll expand our understanding by examining critical ethical principles, legal frameworks, and responsibilities that every therapist must consider in the digital space. In digital therapy, adhering strictly to ethical standards and understanding legal frameworks is crucial, not just to protect your clients, but also to safeguard your professional practice. Being aware of your responsibilities builds trust, ensures compliance, and helps avoid potential ethical dilemmas or legal conflicts. We previously discussed digital security practices such as encryption and secure networks. Here, we further highlight confidentiality and privacy, core ethical values in therapy. Clearly explain digital procedures to your clients, ensure secure handling of therapy data, and always obtain explicit, informed consent before engaging in any digital therapy activity. In our earlier session on digital security, we introduced international regulations like GDPR and KVKK. As a reminder, GDPR governs data privacy in the EU, while KVKK regulates data protection in Turkey. These laws mandate transparency, explicit consent, secure data handling, and reporting data breaches promptly. Understanding and complying with these regulations is essential to legally and ethically protect both your clients and your practice. In digital therapy, therapists frequently utilize materials such as videos, texts, worksheets, and multimedia resources. Understanding copyright laws ensures legal compliance when using these resources. Always respect intellectual property rights, obtain necessary permissions, and use licensed or open-source materials whenever possible. Clear boundaries and responsibilities become even more crucial in digital therapy. Therapists must explicitly define the scope of their practice, maintain professional boundaries, and communicate responsibilities and expectations transparently. Clients should understand clearly what's expected of them and their rights regarding confidentiality, cancellations, and data use. Let's now explore some real-life ethical dilemmas therapists commonly encounter online. Through these examples, we will practice ethical reasoning, applying structured decision-making frameworks to resolve complex situations involving confidentiality breaches, informed consent issues, and boundary violations. As mentioned previously, thorough knowledge of data protection laws like GDPR and KVKK is critical. Regularly reviewing and applying current regulations is mandatory to prevent legal issues. Non-compliance can lead to significant fines, legal consequences, and reputational damage. Continuous education in these legal aspects is therefore strongly recommended. Implementing best ethical practices involves transparent and frequent communication with clients, clearly documented consent procedures, and regular ethics training. These practices protect your clients, uphold your professional standards, and create an environment of trust and ethical clarity. In case of data breaches, swift and responsible action is critical. For instance, GDPR mandates that breaches be reported within 72 hours. Ethically, therapists must inform clients transparently, mitigate any damage, and strengthen future data protection measures to prevent recurrence. In this session, we reviewed critical ethical principles, discussed legal responsibilities, and explored effective strategies for managing potential dilemmas in digital therapy. To maintain an ethical, compliant practice, we encourage you to proactively educate yourself continuously, staying updated with relevant laws and ethical guidelines. Thanks for watching, and keep following Detam for more valuable insights. See you in the next video!